In the softly lit bedroom, a haven of warmth and gentle shadows, Mirha prepares for sleep, her eyes wide with innocent wonder. Her voice, barely a whisper, pierces the quiet. Ami, kya farishte wa kai humai dektai hain? Mom, do angels really watch us? Muhammad Hussein, nestled in bed, gazes into the the night light casting a soft glow across his face. Mother, with a tender smile, answers, Ji beta, har insan ke saath, du farish te ho te hain. Yes, dear, every person has two angels with them. Muhammad Hussein's eyes sparkle with curiosity as he asks, Kya wo hume kahaniya sunate hain? Do they tell us stories? The room is filled with quiet anticipation as the nightlight casts long dancing shadows, deepening the mystery of the night. In the dim bedroom, an old bookshelf emanates an otherworldly light, casting long shadows across the room. Mira exclaims, her eyes wide with wonder, Ami! The book opened by itself. A book, Superbook, falls from the shelf, its descent slow and deliberate, as a bright light begins to engulf the room. As the book opens, a voice echoes, Kya aap dono farishton ki dunya dekhna chahte ho? The light intensifies, consuming all in a blinding flash of divine energy, promising a journey beyond. In a realm of celestial light, Mirha and Muhammad Hussein stand, bathed in a soft glow, surrounded by ethereal beings. Angels diligently record events on ancient scrolls, their quills scratching softly in the divine silence. Hussein's eyes widen in awe, his voice barely a whisper. Wo kya kar raha hain? What are they doing? Superbook's voice echoes, revealing the truths. Ye kiraman katibin hain, tumhare amal lik rahai hain. These are the kiraman katibin, writing down your deeds. Mirha's expression shifts, a question forming on her lips. Tuhar amal farishtai dek rahai hain. So every action is being watched by angels? The celestial realm pulses with gentle light, the weight of every action hanging in the balance.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.